Hello friends, in this video you will learn about parenthesis checker program. Our task is given an expression string exp. Examine whether the pairs and the orders of open and closed same brackets are correct in exp. Input output I will explain with the example. Here is the example. Input first one is the number of test cases. In every test case we take the strings. In this output is see this. Those pairs in order, output is balanced. If the pairs are not in order, like this, having not matched, then output is not balanced. To solve this task, here is our code. For test cases, using t variable, take the value of t. For all test cases, using while loop with t minus minus. In every test case, take the string s, take the value of s. To solve this task, I am using a function parenthesis checker, passing the address of string s. See this. There is a function parenthesis checker. To solve this task, it is good to use stock. This stock takes the characters st. If see this, I am using this if block because if the first character is closed bracket, then that should be not balanced one. See this s of 0 closed. If any bracket is closed, just return not balanced. See this. In other ways, if there is open one, see this one, third test case. In this, int I equal to 0 is this one, 0. The string length is 3. 0 less than 3 is true. Then s of I equal to open bracket. Yes, it is true. Then push into the stock. st dot push s of I. This bracket is pushed into the stock. Then I increments. I value is 1. 1 less than 3 is true. Then comes to this block. See this. That 1 is open bracket. S of I equal to this one. Open bracket. Then this is also pushed into the stock. st dot push s of I. Then I increments. I value is 2 now. 2 less than 3. It is also true. And check. This is closed one. This else block execute. In this stock empty equal false, it is true. Stack having the two open brackets. Then check this one. S of I equal to closed one, not this one. This one. S of I equal to closed one, and st top also equal to open one, open bracket. Both are matched. In this time, if block execute st dot pop. This is popped out. Open one popped out. Then comes I increments. I value is 3 now. 3 less than 3 is false. For loop stops execution. If stack is empty, it returns balanced, but stack having the open bracket. So this returns the not balanced. See this. This prints the not balanced. If there is matched one, that prints the balanced. See this. Our code is right or not by compile test. Everyone is balanced. There are no unbalanced one, not balanced one. Then see this test case. In this, not balanced ones are there. Check this one. Both are not balanced. Then submit. Yes, correct answer. With the execution time 0.07. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.